This is a 2007 Chevrolet Corvette. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a sunroof, a low tire pressure indicator, 19-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a power driver's seat, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a 7-speaker audio system, leather seats, 4-wheel independent suspension, a security system, dusk sensing headlights, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has fewer than 19,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Sheehy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 418 South Washington Highway in Ashland.